anything that you can't get done during your productive season, and if it's not a fire, if it's not urgent, push it on to your slow season when you'll have more time to dig in deeper. Hi there, Therese with Agency Performance Partners here, and today we're going to talk about optimizing insurance agency operations, time management, and productive and slow seasons. So time is one of our most valuable assets, and we need to start reflecting on how we use that time. Are we using that time to be productive? Are we using it to be busy? Or are we managing it wisely? So we have a tendency not to manage our time wisely and scroll through social media or go online shopping. And those are moments when we are being busy, not necessarily productive. So we need to make sure that when we're at work, we have routines. So we come in the morning, we have a morning routine, we may have a lunch routine, we may have an end of the day routine to prepare for the next day. But at APP, we have several strategies that you can use to help with time management. They work in the productive season and in the slow season. Just during the slow season, you're going to add some more. So you want to make sure that you're prioritizing your time well and accurately. So sometimes for emails, I'll see an email and I'll be like, oh, I have to get that done right now. And I create the fires in the email. The email is not really a fire. It's nothing that needs to be done right now. So what I've started doing is blocking my email. So it's turned off for like an hour, 2 hours, and I block a time in my schedule to actually work my email. And I really have to fix my brain because I'm always wanting to check my email. So I have to stop myself and say, no, I'm not checking email. I've got a time block for email, and the emails can be taken care of then. Our management system, we want to make sure we use our management system wisely and we're putting things into the management system. We want to get away from using notepads and put things in digitally. We know that it's in there digitally. You can actually copy and paste it, so it's much quicker. If you use a Rater, that's also a great option. Your desk and your work area, try to reduce the clutter. No notebook means you're not going to have a notebook sitting around. You shouldn't have pens sitting around. You should be doing everything digitally. Time blocking is huge, especially during your productive season. You need to block time. So if you have certain things you have to do, like calling outbound leads, calling website leads, you need to block time to do those because otherwise you'll push them aside and not do them at all. Quoting over the phone is also important because you want to try to keep the person on the phone, stay engaged, and get that quote done for them as soon as possible. The quicker you get it done, the more likely they are to purchase it from you. A lot of people say, but they don't want to be rushed. That's not the case. You're just getting things done. So things like reducing call-ins and walk-in payments, find different ways and strategies to get the people who walk in or call in to use automation or use the systems or apps to make payments. Follow-ups. Make sure that you have a buy when you're talking to a customer. That values your time and it values the customer's time. And then you know exactly by when you need to get something done. So make sure you're using issue forms or rocks. So when you are in a productive season, you can write down your issues and your ideas. And then when you're in a slower season, you can use that time to work on those issues or those ideas and implement them or make them better. So this is how you basically can use your time wisely during your productive seasons and your slower seasons. So anything that you can't get done during your productive season, and if it's not a fire, if it's not urgent, push it on to your slow season when you'll have more time to dig in deeper. So hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.